Frustration started as soon as I bought this camera, the GoPro Hero 10 Black, since I had a lot of expectation and I assumed that when I get a good camera such as GoPro, my videos were gonna go viral. Actually, I got frustrated because I had taken the savings for the whole year 2023 and bought this camera despite of the hard condition, high taxes and exaggerated price when such commodities reach here in Africa. Now it's July. I'm using the camera to take my videos and I'm getting as low as 6 views. In fact, they are performing even poorly despite of me investing in camera quality. In my honest opinion, YouTube business here in Africa is different. Someone might be saying they are using an average camera to take their videos. The same camera can't be accessed here in Africa because of the economic hardship country, high taxes, corruption, and other hindrance of shipping and such. For a very long time, I've been using my phone to take the videos, and it was shooting at 1080p with 60 frames per second. But right now, I think having a GoPro is an advantage because of its compactability and maneuverability is simple. You can mount in any place. You can mount it on the head strap, on the chest strap, and a small gimbal. So I think I'll be doing more videos and I'll be learning how to edit and take videos. Slowly I'll be learning how to set the camera and which modes that are best in such conditions, and I'll be teaching myself how to operate the camera more efficiently, the settings, and what should I put in place in different scenarios. So actually I'm teaching myself slowly by slowly, and I'll be doing more professional and more good videos. And here are some of the videos that I took using the head strap with my GoPro, and it's been a good experience so far. So what I'm targeting right now is how I can improve my videos and how I can get more traffic and so forth.
Rocket, 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 rocket.
So ideally, we have 3 tubes here. One is inlet, another one is outlet. So then we have this one. This hose, this hose is for draining out the dirt. Okay? So when you open here, we have a timer system. So this timer system, ikifika jioni, when you're not doing dialysis, it backwashes. So the dirt that it has collected during the day, during the process, it is drained back into the sewer line. So inaenda back to the sewer line. So the process that happens here also happens there. Okay? So these are sand towers. So then we have these 2 small towers. They are carbon towers. Okay? These are carbon.